Hello pool players, Ron here. Welcome once again to the Pool Student Channel, and thank you very much for watching, everyone. If you followed me in the last week and a half, you've seen me shoot this shot where the cue ball is frozen to the cushion, and we've got the first ball is on the first diamond frozen to the cushion, second diamond frozen to the cushion, and then the first diamond past the side pocket frozen to the cushion. Well, I want to share a secret with you as to how I got my eye acclimated to this shot. Now, before I show you this, I want to take you to this ball in the center of the table. Now, Darren Appleton is a pool pro, and about a year ago, he put out a video. I can't remember the actual name of it, the title, but I'm going to go ahead and include the video within the description of this video here so you can go check it out. And it was basically a secret shot that a lot of people don't even think about or know about. And it's about pocketing this ball straight in to that corner pocket without looking at it. And what do we do here? How can we even do that, right? Well, what I've done here is I've put a couple paper reinforcements right in the lip of the pocket and the back of the pocket. And what I'm looking at when I shoot that shot is that I'm only going to aim the cue ball at this spot. And because the shot is straight in, the red ball gets in the way and it goes in. The first time I tried it, drained it perfectly. I couldn't believe it. But anyway, from that, I decided to, I got to thinking, I decided to somehow involve this into my training. So when I came up with this shot, or started working on this shot, I decided to put an aiming point for each shot on the cushion down here. And what that did is I would shoot to the point that I was aiming at. In fact, here I've got a golf tee that you can see. Got 3 paper reinforcements, and I just simply moved the golf tee for each shot. So as I aim at the golf tee, this shot would go in, move the golf tee, that ball's out of the way, shoot the next shot, that shot goes in, and so on and so on. But this is where it trains our eye. Now that I'm confident that the shot will go in with the speed I hit it and the aim I'm putting on it, I then take my eye off the tee and look at the ball, and I want to look at the ghost ball position that I'm hitting that is making that ball go in. And I see now a perfect line. It's like I'm confident that I know the ball will go in if I hit it at the right speed and I hit it at the right point. And that's how we train our eyes. It works, you guys. Unbelievable. And I think I'm going to take this a step further with other shots as well. I'm thinking hard about how to do this. It's about learning how to learn. And one of my subscribers came up with that expression. That's amazing if you think about that in itself. Learning to learn is so critical. So many people, think there's a magic, silver bullet out there, some super trick secret or whatever. It's not that. It's about how we learn to play. It's how we learn and put in the time and, experiment, all of those things. But this works, everyone. It's amazing. So let's take a look at a couple of shots, and you guys can go ahead and go to work at it. So let's check it out. As a reminder, let me just show you my paper reinforcements that I'm going to be aiming at. And I'll put a golf tee on those so that I can see. After aiming at the tee, then I look down at the object ball to see the ghost ball position and shoot the shot in. Here, I'm aiming at the tee and I'm letting the yellow ball get in the way and go into the corner. Do this several times and then eventually start looking down after you've aimed at the tee at your ghost ball position. You will become familiar with how to strike the yellow ball, thus have confidence in pocketing the shot. Now let's take a look at Darren Appleton's shot that he put out on his video, where we're not even looking at the object ball but only focusing on a point at the back of the pocket. By aiming at the back of the pocket at this aim point, we can disregard the object ball, and for the sheer fact that it's in the way, it goes in. If anyone has any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. I'll answer every one. Thank you for watching, pool players, and until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.